Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure the phone is ready. Confirm system version and back up the current look so you can revert if needed. Next, open Settings and search for Phone or Call Settings. This directs you to the right menu. Once there, tap Caller Display, Call Interface, or similar. Make these first changes now so you avoid digging later. This sets the path for visual options, permissions, and any theme files you'll need to install. You now pick the actual call screen. Inside Caller Display, choose a built-in theme or tap the Add button to import an image or video. You can use a live wallpaper clip if Vivo supports it. Once chosen, adjust crop, zoom, and position so the caller photo fits without hiding buttons. Make sure to enable any requested permissions, storage or gallery access, so the file displays. After adjustments, preview an incoming call to confirm how it animates. You finish by saving the new call screen and testing it with a live call or simulated test. If the new display fails to appear, make sure the phone app has permission to show over other apps. Then clear the phone app cache and reboot, because temporary data often blocks changes. If problems persist, revert to the backed up screenshot and reapply or update system software. Finally, contact Vivo support. They can check firmware quirks and give a permanent fix if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.